Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So we all have that one song, the one you just can't get enough of and want to play over and over again without even lifting a finger. So if you are using Amazon Music, the repeat function is exactly what you need. It's perfect for learning lyrics, getting hyped up for like a workout, or just vibing to your latest obsession. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through how to repeat a song in Amazon Music, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So basically, if you are using the mobile app, I'm talking about iOS or even Android version, you can open your Amazon Music app and start playing the song you love. It's basically easy. Then tap on the mini player bar, or basically this bar, at the bottom to open the full screen now playing view. If you are using the app, things would look like, I don't think it will look the same, but it's kind of similar. You just will have multiple options here and here instead of just the like button. So after tapping on it, look at the row of controls, find the repeat icon. It looks like two rows forming a circle. Tap it once, you will see the icon become highlighted, which means it will repeat the entire playlist or album you are listening to. So to loop your single song, tap the repeat icon a second time. You will now see a small one appear next to the icon. This confirms that the current song is now locked and will be repeated every single time. To turn it off, just tap the icon again until it's no longer highlighted. And that's it for today. So thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.